parent comes up to Einstein and says, how can I make my child like you? And Einstein thinks about it for a minute. He says, read your child fairy tales. And I already read my child fairy tales. What type of parent do you think I am? And Einstein leans in and he goes, read more fairy tales. Be there at the genesis of true inspiration with science and technology, because that's what got me here.
There's a large divide between the way that science is accessed in the community and the way that we actually do science in laboratories.
We want to be the home for, anyone's idea from, the egg to the butterfly. We want this to be the home. Indie Lab is the physical presence.
There are so many capabilities that we've built into this lab. We have making and engineering capabilities. We have analytical chemistry and analysis capabilities. We have bioculturing. Our goal in the way that we've constructed this lab is to be capable across a wide variety of areas. So this is truly interdisciplinary in what we can do. We've built the lab. Now what do we do with it? Like, where do we go from here in order to make this something that's not only transformative for our communities, but something that can be translated into other parts of both this country and the rest of the world.
You could look at Indie Lab as an incubator, an accelerator.
We're going to organize this through community engagement. We're not going to organize this through relying on City Hall. If we talk about Flint, Michigan, we're able in our laboratory to do the same testing to tell whether lead is in our drinking water. We are partnered with the Open Insulin Project, where we're going to be producing an open, accessible form of insulin.
We're in the heart of pandemic response to the coronavirus. We're working with community leaders across the Richmond, Virginia area in order to scale testing up to a capacity of 10,000 tests per day.
These are things that are affecting people's lives across this country. And we are trying to give the community the resources they need in order to actually challenge this. All of the projects that are developed out of Indie Lab at this time are all based upon solving these social issues.
Because you need a place that provides the infrastructure and the equipment and the materials, but then also the mentorship.
We are part of a growing trend to be putting science back into the community rather than waiting for respective administrations to do it for us. But we need your help. We need your help to be able to do all of this. Right now, we're self-supported. We don't want to rely on major institutions in order to be able to do this. What we need is you.